Hi, I'm Yuen and thanks for joining. So today's video is a fashion video and a bit of styling. I want to show you some of the items that I've recently added to my wardrobe, and I am actually very excited and look forward to wear these. And also I will include a small unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item. So if you want to see what they are, please stay tuned. The first item is this coat here from COS. So this is one of those items that I am very excited to wear during the cooler months. So this is, I would say, a dupe from Totem scarf coat. So this is basically a short coat with a scarf attached to it. It's in a black color, made from wool, and I believe this is a re-release because they did release this style last year and it was sold out. So even this year, the smaller sizes are sold out online. I just happened to come across this in store when I was in the city, and this is a small, which is a bit oversized for my frame, but I do like that oversized look. And you know, especially on colder days, not that we have a lot of colder days in winter here in Sydney, but I would like, you know, wear thick knits or something. This can be easily worn over it. So yeah, I'm very excited to wear, and it's a very, I would say, a very stylish piece. And yeah, just excited, to wear this. It's a beautiful, lovely piece to add. So I don't own a lot of coats, so this is just one of few, and I, you know, it's one of those really elevated piece that I just wanted to add to my collection. The next three pieces are from Viktoria and Woods, which is one of my favorite Australian brands. With the first one is this long sleeve knit top. So this is made from thick ribbed cotton material. What I love about this top is of this elevated neckline, this design, and it's got a gold detail there, which is quite beautiful. So it's an off-shoulder style with a bit of neck detail, which is, I thought, was just something so special about it. And it is just an elevated top, and it makes any casual outfit stand out. So yeah, there's nothing more to it, and it's just a special design. So I love it, and I'm glad that I added it to my collection. And I found this top quite well priced for this brand. So this is around $220 Australian dollars, which I consider is quite reasonable. So there was definitely no hesitation for me to add it to my collection. And the next item from Viktoria Woods is this knitted vest. So this is made from 100%, pretty sure 100% wool. I bought this during the extra 20% sale. So this is currently on sale. So they recently had an extra 20% off as well. And I'm so glad that I've added this to my collection, because I didn't realize how versatile it is, because it can be worn as a sleeveless top on warmer days, or layer over a t-shirt or a shirt on cooler days. So yeah, I think this is definitely a favorite of mine. I'm so excited to wear this in winter, you know, layered as a layered piece. Yeah, love this. Next up is a pair of pants. So these are called Idol pants, and it's in a cinnamon color, which is like a taupey beige gray kind of color combination. And this is, I would say, a bit pricey. And I just love the look and the flow of these. I have already worn these once, and I'm kind of disappointed, consider on the cost of it, that if I inspect a bit closer, there is a bit of like slight peel, but other than that, it's a very comfortable. There's a bit of stretch to this material. I believe the main component of this material is lyocell. Just a slight show of wear and tear just at first one wear is already an indication that that got me concerned of the longevity of this material. Other than that, I do like the look, the color on me, quite versatile. To seeing the wear on this already, I don't know whether I am, you know, if I made the right decision to fork out 350 Australian dollars to buy these pants. And the next two items are from the same brand. They're pretty much the same item, but just two different colors. And they are these two t-shirts here. So I bought the black first, and because I liked it so much, I then went and bought the white one. So what's so special about these two t-shirts are basically they're just basic t-shirts, but there's a bit of singed on the side, which gives this really, you know, basic style and elevated look, and I just love that. And also it's I don't know, it's just something different and unique. When I see like just a special feature or design against a classic style, and that really gets me. I bought these two, and also because of the singed on the side, it can easily be tucked in under, you know, when worn with jeans or pants, rather than, you know, when you wear t-shirts, and to tuck in, it can make things a bit bulky, but because of that design, it gives this really neat tucked in looks, which I loved. And the combination in terms of fabric makeup, it's a combination of cotton, lyocell, and something else as well. Oh, the brand name is Second Female, which is that how I say it? That's right, Second Female, which I'll be frank, I've never heard of this brand, and I actually haven't looked into the brand background as well. But based on these two items, the material feels it's quite a well-made fabric, very, very soft, thick, and yeah, just so soft and luxurious. And these two are in extra small. They are that was the only size available for these two. So I gave the first one a go, and it fitted me right. So I then grabbed the white ones, which was the right choice. I actually don't have much of the basic t-shirts, so I thought, seeing that the design of these two, something different, add them to my collection. And next up is a pair of pants from Dissh. So reason why I bought these, because I love the color. So I'm into brown at the moment, and brown seems to be a trendy color for winter at the moment, and I just love brown. I actually initially bought and tried on a pair of wool pants from COS. However, that didn't work out because they were quite oversized. I bought 36 first. They were quite oversized, quite large for me. Then I returned it. I even went into store and tried on 34. It was still, they just didn't sit right on me. I think because they made from wool, therefore the fabric might be a bit stiff, just slightly thicker. So where the pleating detail is, it's so like if you stand on the side, it's so like sticks out. And I'm one of those, if it's one of those things that doesn't sit right with me, then I know it's not something that I'm going to wear. Therefore I have returned, and I found these as an alternative. I mean, these are like $100 difference. Yeah, almost half in terms of pricing difference. I know Dissh, in terms of their material, they're not really great with natural fiber. So these, I think the main component of this fabric is polyester, which is not my favorite. But I like the style of these pants, and also the color. The color really got me. That's why I decided to keep them. These are fairly long, so I did have the length alter for my frame. So yeah. And yeah. All right, the next three pieces are accessory. With the first ones are these pair of loafers. So these are from the brand is Aeyde. I bought these from Net-a-Porter, where they had a 25% discount promotion. And I bought these because I'm into chocolate at the moment, and one of the pieces that I wanted to add to my collection is a pair of chocolate shoes. So these are a pair of loafers, but it's in between, I would say, your standard loafers and bulk loafers, with a bit of details there as well. And just the color really got to me, and the design is, that's why I bought them. They run slightly large, surprisingly, so I bought my usual size, which is 35, and they are large. Even tried them on with a pair of socks, and yeah, they're still a bit large, so I think I need to insert some insoles in here. Hopefully they'll fit and comfortable. Yeah, but other than that, you can tell that the quality is really well made. Just beautiful. It's like we have a running theme here. The next item is a belt from COS, and again it is in a chocolate brown, and I don't know what's going on with chocolate brown, but I just love the color, especially I guess because we are moving into a cooler month, so my mood in terms of color mood has gone to chocolate brown. So it's a beautiful leather belt. I would say from a high street pricing, it is fairly a bit pricey. So this is about, I think it's about 105 Australian dollars, but you can tell by the quality, it's well made. The edging is nice and smooth, rather than it's got that bevel edge in a way, and it feels nice and smooth rather than the sharp edge. And the hardware, it's not too shiny gold either. It's got this brassy gold, which yeah, it's beautiful. And it say that it's made in Italy, which probably I guess the reason why justify for the price of that. But yeah, I'm glad that I bought this one. I think I bought this in a small size, so I would say this is between 6 to 8 Australian size. Okay, we are down to the last item, which is a small unboxing that I have promised at the start of the video, and it is this box here. So if you heard my clue, which I said accessories, so if based on the box you can guess it is what it is, right? So I bought this from a Facebook group because the price is just so good. I couldn't let it go. Although I did sat on it for a while, for a few weeks, it still did not get sold. Once I made the decision, I bought it because it's such a good price. So it's in a brand new condition when I bought it, and it is, let me just, a belt. So this is in the Damier Azul pattern. I really love this checker print. A simple belt, but I do like this sort of buckle style. This is in a size 75. The thickness is about 30 centimeters, but I reckon it is smaller than 30 centimeters, so just the right thickness. I don't like too thick in terms of the width. It was a brand new, it even had the sticker on. And the reason why I sat on this belt for some time, because I know the color is not that versatile. It doesn't necessarily go with a lot of outfit because it's a lighter shade. But yeah, no, I couldn't let it pass. You're talking about 325 Australian dollars for a brand new belt. It was such a bargain, so I had to get it. And because this is a type of canvas print that I really like, so yeah, I'm glad that I added this to my collection. Yeah, no. So we are coming to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this type of content. And if you notice, we are in a different setting in today's video. We are actually in my daughter's room. It's a bit overcast today, and this is the only room that has good lighting. And also I like to make the use of her bed frame as a clothes hanger. I don't have a portable one, so anyway, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the likes button. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.